Hello everyone, welcome to my awesome YouTube channel. My name is Irina Kabak and I'm a professional esthetician and a makeup artist. I'm also a blogger, so I will be happy to show you how to do this 5 really easy and very festive hairstyles. Anyone can do it, and if you like to learn, stay with me. To start, I will section my hair and I will curl them. So I will just take a 1-inch curling iron. This is actually 3/4, probably not 1 inch, lesser than that. So I'm just curling it, leaving the ends a little bit straight. You don't have to be really precise here because it doesn't really need to be perfect. It just needs to be a little bit curled for all of the hairstyles looking as I showed in the very beginning of this video. I'm just doing it in 3 layers. You can do in 2. I'm using Joico level 8, if I'm not mistaken, fixative spray, hairspray. So you just curl them all over, curl your hair all over, and spray it again with hairspray. Then try not to brush or touch them for some time, and just wait a little bit, and then separate them a little bit with your fingers. So it's supposed to look like this, or it can be a little bit more tight, it doesn't really matter. So for the first one, I take this very pretty pin with the rhinestones, and what I will do, I just take one side of the hair and I twist it a little bit and I fix it with this pin. I'll make it a little less snug, and here we are. Very nice and easy hairstyle. Do you like it, guys? Comment below, please, if you like this one. This one was the first one. I think it's very pretty for New Year's or any other occasion. The second one, we're going to use 2 pins, and these are a little bit different pins. They are pearl pins and they're the same, so they're identical. I'm just going to put them in on both sides symmetrically, and this is a trend actually this year, trend to put 2 pins symmetrically on both sides of your face. This is how it looks like. I think it's pretty and very cute. What do you think, guys? Do you like this one? So the third one will be using this really pretty ribbon, and I bought this in Walmart. It actually had already rhinestones, not rhinestones, beads and sequins on it. So I just section the hair this way, and I tie this ribbon behind, and voila, this is very easy to do as well, and look how festive it is. So this is good for a nice little black dress, or just anything you would like to wear on New Year's. So the fourth one, we'll actually have to do a ponytail, but just leave a little sections in the front for the hairstyle to be not that tight, and take a ribbon, take a scrunchie actually, and just fix it in a ponytail. And then I'm taking a colorful ribbon, and it could be any color. I chose yellow, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to tie a little bow on my ponytail, and that's very easy but very interesting. I don't think I saw anybody in the near future to do that. So for the fifth one, you will actually have to tease your hair a little bit, tease your ponytail a little bit with a teasing brush. And then I took bobby pins. I should have taken lighter color, but it actually makes a point because you can see where they are later. and I twist my hair a little bit. Don't make it too tight because it needs to be a little loose. And I just fix it, and I just fix it with bobby pins, and it turns into this very loose and very pretty low bun. How do you like it, guys? This is a very nice hairstyle. Even if you're wearing something elegant, this will suit very nicely. I hope you like this video, guys. Bye!